How to sign into Netflix on Android. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right in. First of all, you can either install and open the application Netflix, or let's head over to your browser and go to netflix.com, which is this site right here, and you should be finding a similar interface. And we can tap on the sign in option in the top right corner. After that, we will be accessing the page. Now, another step is we need to enter our account details. So first of all, we need to enter our info to sign in. You can get started. You can tap on this email or mobile number box and type in your email address or your mobile number and tap on continue. Once it is done, you will be taken to another page where we need to go ahead and enter our password. So go ahead and enter up your password, or you can tap on the link on your email that will be provided. After that, you can follow the reset instructions sent to your email or your phone, and you can try signing in into Netflix. That is also possible, and you can check it out. Apart from that, you can directly enter up your password as well sometimes and go ahead and confirm it up and follow the instructions to sign in as well. And that should work out for you. You can sign in like this to confirm that your account works, and that's it. It's a very simple and easy method. If you want to sign in, you just need your credentials such as your email or your phone number for that. And that's it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.